Doctor Who title sequence. Step 1. Getting the phone booth to travel using scale. Import 2 videos that you'll find in the description into the project. Drag the background footage on track 1. Now drag the second footage on the track 2. Select the clip, go to the first frame. Click on Transform, then click on the diamond shape. It's called keyframes. Drag the scale slider to all the way left, then go to 2 seconds in the timeline and increase the scale value to 267 using the slider. Go to 4 seconds in the timeline and decrease the scale value to 0 using the slider again. Now check that it looks like it's traveling back and forth. Now we need some motion blur. Go to Effects and search Blur. Drag that grainy blur on the phone booth footage, then go to Effects and decrease the blur and intensity to 0.02. Do some color correction using curves. Step 2. Add titles. Click on the titles, select the 3D titles. Drag that 3D metal text 01 on the track and line this up to the end. Go to Basic and write the Doctor in capital. Then change the font to the Lucida Bright Demi-Bold. Adjust the scale and position where it looks good to you. Drag the text again and write Who word. Change the font and position, and adjust the scale. Here is the final result. If you're interested in more creative editing, check out filmora.wondershare.com.